Select any aerotriangulated block to access reports. Select the General tab and then select View Quality Report. Use the contents to access the report sections. Beginning with Update 8, new reporting features have been added to both Context Capture Desktop and Context Capture Center. To access these reportings, the user simply needs to run Aerotriangulation and access the reporting from the aerotriangulated block by clicking on View Quality Report. These reports are exportable to PDF and also can be viewed within the file or by following a link to a web URL. From here, all segments can be accessed again from the context. These segments include project summary, camera calibration, photo positions, photo matching, surveys, and control points. Here we see the reports projected in a web browser. Beginning with camera calibration, the reports are clearly constructed to give the user all the relevant information for the project. Photo positions, photo matching, and finally control, including survey controls depicting both horizontal and vertical errors. These reports are now included with the version 8 update.